Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to design a joint for a piece of plywood to make it stronger and easier to assemble. First of all, I'm going to assume that you already have something that is made out of 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch plywood with some amount of size to it, and it is going to be needed to be made more strong and easier to assemble. So I'm going to do an example like this, which might be part of a shelving system or something like that. I'm going to make this 5 inches as well. Turn my sketch back on and also make these 5 inches too as a new body. Okay. Now I've got 3 pieces that could be part of a corner of a shelf, and I want to make them stronger. I'm going to first label my bodies. So body 1 will be shelf side, body 2 will be lower shelf, and body 3 will be upper shelf. Now I'm going to turn off the shelf side so I can see the edge of the shelves. Then I'm going to go Q for press pull, though there are other ways to do this too, or modify press pull. Grab this surface and this surface. Sometimes you'll need to do them both separately, and do about between 1/4 and 1/3 of the distance into your plywood. I'm going to use 0.15 in this example for 1/2 inch plywood. Now when I turn on my shelf side again, I can see that there is an overlap there. This overlap is not accurately reflected yet. When I click on this and turn on upper shelf, there's no groove yet that it fits into. To do that, you have to do a combine command. You're going to change it to cut and keep tools. We want to cut this target body using this tool body and this tool body, and keep tools, and OK. Now we have our grooves like that. You can also do it several different ways, but that is the simplest and easiest way when it does work.